Website development for beginners. Website development is the process of creating a website, covering everything from HTML and code to programming, network settings, and CMS creation. It's all about ensuring maximum performance, customer experience, and efficiency. Web developers are the experts who manage a site. They're responsible for a website's entire feel and appearance, its storage capacity, and efficiency. A good web developer has skills in both visual design and coding. There are 3 types of web developers. Front-end developers create graphics or displays with CSS, JavaScript, and HTML. Back-end developers use coding languages like Python, PHP, Ruby, and others to create actions on a site or an online app. Full-stack developers are responsible for everything. Website development is a growing sector, predicted to expand by 13% 8 years from now. It's a method of spreading awareness of the products and/or goods you provide, and it helps understand why your products are important and even vital for users to purchase or use. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are essential tools for front-end web development. HTML specifies the basic framework and layout of a website, CSS alters how HTML components appear on a display, and JavaScript is used in the construction of interactive and flexible websites. Back-end developers must be knowledgeable in servers and server management. They also need to understand databases and how to use structured query language to manage data from relational systems. To become a good developer, determine your goal, apply what you've learned, enroll in a class, always educate yourself, and establish your portfolio. Remember, the web is always evolving, so must web best practices.